back with another one.
All right, guys, so here in front of you is a 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport. Today's video is to show you the location of the horns and how to remove them. All right, so here is one horn right here. And if you go over here on the other side, the other one is located here. Now, they have 10mm nuts holding them on. See that 10mm nut there? And the same with this one. To get to them, you come in the front and you see this little dip right here. That's where it is, right there. All right, same with the one that is right here. You can see the nut right there. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the nut loose and then pull it out and then disconnect the actual connector. All right, so let's remove the nut that's right here. Remember, that's a 10mm. You may want to make sure that the socket that you're using has a magnet on it so you don't drop it. All right, so after you remove the nut, you pull it out like this. And you can see it has a clip on it. You're gonna push the clip back there, push it down, and just pull it out. It's kind of hard, but you can do it. Just squeeze it, just like that. All right, and that's how you remove the horn. The actual part number should be right there, if you can see that. Okay, this is how it looks, and this is how the connector looks. So I'm gonna put this one back in and we're gonna go to the other side. Actually, I'm gonna leave it out. Let's just do the other side. All right, so this right here is the other one, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna come in from right here. Just like that. Pull it out. And you're gonna push on this tab back here. Just like that. And this is the other one. And that is the, let's see, that's the part number, if you can see that. All right, so let's see the difference between the two. One of them would be, this one right here is the high and this is the low. You can see UCL 256, that L is low. And this one right here is UCH 255, and that H is for high. So the one on the driver's side is the high, the one on the passenger side is the low. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this back in. We're gonna grab the connector, turn it this way, snap the connector back on, make sure it makes that clicking noise, push it back down in here and put it straight back through this hole right here. And like I said, it has a magnet on this, so it's holding it. We're gonna run this right back on, just like that. And let's just go to the other side. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing with this one. Take it, and we're gonna snap it together. It's kind of tight, but you can do it. Snap it on. Once you get it snapped on, let's see. Once you get it snapped on, push it back in this hole right here and put the nut back on. Just like that. And that's it. Everything's connected. Remember, the driver's side horn is the high and the passenger is the low. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove the horns from a 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport. You can see both of them right there. Now, to do that job, I don't think you have to remove the bumper, because it's a plastic piece that actually covers this part. So you should be able to do this from the top without having to remove the bumper. But if you need to remove the bumper, I have a video on how to remove the bumper from this vehicle. All right, guys, I'm out.